Hello guys, another quick video. We've got a Range Rover Evoque here, 66 plate, with what looks like to be an intermittent SOS light. So customer's complaint is that in the dash it shows SOS unavailable. When the vehicles come to us though, we can't replicate the fault, so we believe it's to be intermittent. We've given a quick scan on our Diagnostics tool. Pull that up for you on here. So there you can see under the Telematics control unit, that's what looks after the SOS functions, etc. Saying backup battery fault. Now this is a common issue on these amongst other vehicles. We're going to order a new one. It's about £60 from the dealer, and we're going to get it put in. So we'll show you exactly where it goes and how it works. So in the boot, the telematics unit is sat just behind this panel here. So what we need to do is take off a few trim panels, drop this seat forward, then we can get access behind there to get off. So I'm just going to take these two off here, take this front panel off, take this bottom panel off to get to the telematics unit. But here is the battery and part number for the telematics battery. So this is all it is. It's just basically two batteries put together with a cable coming off it. So yeah, we'll get this out, get this put in, and we'll see where we go. Just for context, this panel just lifts straight up. It's just on clips. Once that's out, there's a T20 Torx here. Pull that out, and then the two T30s there, and then this can then just be pulled out. Just be mindful of the wire there for the light, and everything else as well. So you can see there, there's the telematics unit. So we're going to have that pulled out and remove the battery from it. So once here, the easiest way to get this off, instead of trying to take off the actual telematics from the bracket, is to just take the bracket off itself. So one 8mm there, one 8mm on the underneath just here, and then this bracket can just be lifted up, swung around, and you've got access to the battery there. So I'm just going to open it up, show you, replace it with the new one, and go from there. So here is the unit. The cover's off. It's a T9 screw that goes in there. That pops off. We're just going to unclip the battery, pop the new one in, put it all back together. Battery's in. Just testing it to make sure there's no lights that come on and nothing has come up on the dash. So we're all good, ready to go. Another one we can give back to the customer.